Hello, today we are going to explore Jitsi Meet. Jitsi Meet is free open source video conferencing platform for web and mobile. To begin with, we need to go to Google and search for Jitsi Meet. Here we need to select meet.jitsi. So click on Jitsi Meet and you will be taken to the home page of Jitsi Meet. Here you can see the two options, the calendar and the recent. The recent section will enable to give you the details of the last sessions. Here, if you need to start a new meeting, you can simply write the name and click on Go. It will take you to the session. Before the session starts, it will ask your permission to use your microphone and the camera. So here the session has started. Click on this icon to mute or unmute yourself. You can click on this icon to start or stop camera. When you click on this middle icon, it will enable you to leave the meeting. Here is the option to invite people. So click on this icon. Here you get the link of the meeting. You can copy the link and the link gets copied on the clipboard. You can also share your meeting invitation by means of your default mail or Google or Gmail or Outlook mail or even Yahoo mail. So you can simply copy the invitation and send that invitation through Google, Outlook or Yahoo mail. So this is how you can invite people. Here there is option to invite people. So you can also use this option to invite people. The procedure will be the same. So either you click on the top to invite more people, or you can also use this icon to invite people. Now here is, you can toggle the view. So you can change the view. So here they provide the security option, by means of which you can provide a password. So you can write a password. If you wish to add a password, you can always use a password. So this is the password created. You can add the password. If you want to copy the password, you can copy the password, or you can, if you want to remove the password, you can also remove the password. This password can be provided to the participants before they join the meeting. So this is the security options. Here is the option which allows the user to perform more actions or activities. It gives the email ID through which I have signed in. It also enables us to manage the video quality. It gives the option to view full screen. It also gives the option of live streaming. Here is the option of start recording. For that you need to have a Dropbox account. So you need to sign into your Dropbox account and then your recording can be started. So at present I cancel it. Go back to the actions. Here is the option to share a YouTube video. Click on this and then you need to enter the address and share, you will be taken to the YouTube video. So this is how you can start the video. I go back and now I will stop YouTube video. You can also remove the shared video. So I click on remove. There is also an option to blur the background. There is an option of setting. So you can do the setting with the devices you are using during your conference. So you can perform the very. There is another option to make settings with your devices. So you can select the devices and you can perform the settings. You can do the settings. Here is the option to mute all participants. You can mute or unmute everyone. Here is the speaker stats. You can get the speaker stats here. Here is the important facility provided by Jitsi, that is end-to-end encryption. At present, it is on experimental basis, but for security purpose, it is the most important facility, and that is provided by Jitsi. And then you can also view different shortcuts. So there are different shortcuts, for example, show or hide video thumbnails, F, mute or unmute your microphone, M. So there are different shortcuts which can be used during your video conferencing. Here is the option to open or close chat. So I can use the option. I can write in the chat box and that can be viewed by every participant. So at present I close it. Here is, you can raise or lower your hand, and here is the option to share your screen. So click on this. It will enable to share the entire screen or application window or even Chrome tab. Select the entire screen and share. So it will allow you to share your presentation. If you wish to stop sharing, just click on stop sharing. These are the features of Jitsi which can be used to conduct the video conferences. Thank you for watching video. Thank you.